This is how to download videos from Pinterest. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Pinterest account. Once you are logged into your Pinterest account, now here you have to scroll down to the feeds and select the video that you want to download. Here I'm gonna click on this very first video, and now I will copy the link. To copy the link, I first clicked on the three dots at the top right corner, and after that I simply click on the copy link option from this pop-up menu. Once I clicked on it, now my video link has been successfully copied to my clipboard. After that I will go on to my Chrome browser, and here I will simply search for the Pinterest video downloader. Once I search for it, now it will take me to these web results. Here I will simply click on the very first link. Once I clicked on the link, now it will take me to this website where I simply paste my URL here. After pasting my URL here, I will click on the download option to download my video. Once I clicked on the download button, now it will take me to this page. Now here I will scroll down and go to the download video option. Once I clicked on this download video option, now it will take me to this page where I will simply click on these three dots, and then I will see this option to download. Once I clicked on the download option here, now as you can see that my video has been started to download. Now you have to wait for the time until your video is being downloaded. So that's how to download Pinterest videos.